Well, yeah, props are a great thing actually because it takes people's mind off the photos to some extent. So, especially if you've got some foremen in the shot, you know, with the hard hats and the high vis, holding up a lovely blueprint or something like that and pointing at it. It's a bit of a cliche, but it works. It works really well. Anything people can hold, if you've got a theodolite on a building site, a level, you can be looking through that kind of thing. Action shots, show people doing stuff. That's the main sort of props I'd be, using. No, it's a perfect opportunity to show them the latest, most up-to-date things that they're using, just so clients are a bit wowed by it all.